the monster ate everybody up and they all died. The end.
Not bad, but if you really want something scary to spook up the night, I've got something that you all might be really interested in playing.
What? Your poker collection?
Very funny, but no. I've got my old How to Diddy puppet with this Ouija board to bring things alive that I found in my attic last month. So are you two inclined to bring my puppet to life, or are you both chicken?
Oh, chicken, I am no chicken, I say. Bring your board and we shall see who is the chicken.
Hey, what he said, but if it kills us, I'm haunting you in your dreams.
Do.
Howdy doody, come to us. Come on the underworld, come to us, come to us. Howdy doody, come to us. We call on the spirit of the underworld, come to us, come to us. Howdy doody, come to us. We call upon the spirit of the underworld, come to us, come to us.
Is anything gonna happen?
Honey, go check on the kids.
Why?
I need my beauty sleep.
Are they yelling?
Yes. Don't forget your shoes.
Hey, what's going on out here? What's with all the yelling?
We summoned an evil Howdy Doody puppet and it's going to kill us all.
What the hell are you talking about, Howdy Doody puppet?
Well, how do you know it's not real?
'Cause I'm grown up. Go to sleep.
What's this?
What was that?
I don't know. Go look.
No way, you go look.
No, you.
No way.
Okay. Guys, I'll go look. Do you have a flashlight?
Yeah.
I just got comfortable.
I don't like the sound of that.
Yeah, you can go back into the tent. You can just go back to sleep.
No. We came out here. Let's make sure nothing's here.
It's me, Slappy.
Where do I hide? Where do I hide?
Is anybody out there?
I don't hear any noises. Is it dead yet? I suppose we'll go see.